Excuse me, do you know what time it is?
Let me check. It is almost 3.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
No problem. Are you waiting for someone?
Yeah, my friend. She is late again.
Hey, what are you doing?
I'm just reading a book.
Oh, nice. What is it about?
It's about space and planets. Where did you go yesterday?
I went to the mall.
Oh, really? Who did you go with?
I went with my sister.
When is your birthday?
It is in May, May 15th.
Oh, cool. How old will you be?
I'll be 29.
Why are you so quiet today?
I'm just tired. Long week.
Oh, did you sleep well?
Not really. I could not sleep.
How was your trip?
It was amazing. I loved it.
Where did you go?
I went to Hawaii.
Can you help me with this?
Sure. What do you need?
Can you carry this bag for me?
Yes, give it to me.
Could you pass me the salt?
Yes, here you go.
Thank you so much.
You're very welcome. Would you like some coffee?
Yes, please. I need it.
How do you take it?
Black, please. Will you come to the party?
I am not sure yet.
When will you decide?
Probably tomorrow.
Did you see the movie last night?
Yes, I watched it.
How was it?
It was really good.
Have you been to this restaurant?
Yes, I have been here before.
What do you recommend?
The pasta is amazing. Is this seat taken?
No, feel free to sit.
Thanks. I am so tired.
Yeah, me too. Was the movie good?
Yes, it was excellent.
Who was in it?
Tom Hanks, he was great. Were you at the meeting?
Yes, I was there.
What did they talk about?
Mostly new projects.
Whose phone is this?
I think it is Jessica's.
Where is she?
She's in the break room. How much is this shirt?
It is $25.
Is there a discount?
Yes, 10% off today.
What kind of music do you like?
I love pop and rock.
Who is your favorite artist?
I really like Taylor Swift.
Why did you move here?
For a new job.
Where did you live before?
I lived in Arizona.
How often do you exercise?
I exercise 3 times a week.
Where do you go?
I go to the gym nearby.
Can I borrow your pen?
Yes, here you go.
Thanks, I will give it back.
No rush, take your time.
Could you tell me the time?
Yes, it is 2:30.
Thanks, I am late.
Oh no, hope you make it. Would you like to go out?
Sure, where do you want to go?
How about the new cafe?
That sounds perfect.
Will you be at work tomorrow?
Yes, I will be there.
What time do you start?
I start at 8. Did you enjoy the dinner?
Yes, it was delicious.
What did you eat?
I had the salmon.
Have you ever been to New York?
No, I have never been.
Would you like to go?
Yes, I would love to. Is there a bank near here?
Yes, there is one on Main Street.
How far is it?
About 2 blocks away. Was the test hard?
Yes, it was very difficult.
Did you pass?
I am not sure yet.
Were you at the store earlier?
Yes, I went this morning.
Did you buy anything?
Just some groceries.
Whose car is that outside?
It is my neighbor's car.
Is it new?
Yes, he just got it.
How long have you been here?
About 3 months now.
Do you like it here?
Yes, I love this city.
What time is the meeting?
It is at 2 o'clock.
Where is it?
In the conference room.
Why did you quit your job?
I wanted a change.
What do you do now?
I am freelancing.
Can I get you something to drink?
Yes, water would be great.
With ice?
Yes, please.
Could you speak louder?
Sorry, is this better?
Yes, thank you.
No problem at all.
Would you like some cake?
Yes, I love cake.
How much do you want?
Just a small piece.
Will you call me later?
Sure, I will call you.
What time?
Around 8.
Did you like the gift?
Yes, I loved it.
Really? I was nervous.
It was perfect, thank you.
Have you eaten lunch yet?
Not yet, I'm hungry.
Should we go eat?
Yes, let us go. Is your phone working?
No, it is broken.
Oh no, what happened?
I dropped it.
Was she at the party?
No, she did not come.
Why not?
Were they happy with the results?
Yes, they were very happy.
That is great to hear.
I know, we worked hard.
Whose bag is this?
It is mine, I left it.
Here you go.
Thanks, I almost forgot it.
How many people are coming?
About 20 people.
Is there enough food?
I think so. What did you do yesterday?
I stayed home and watched TV.
What did you watch?
A comedy show. Where are you going tonight?
I'm going to the movies.
Who's going with you?
My best friend.
Why are you laughing?
Because that was funny.
What was funny?
Did you not see that?
How did you learn English?
I took classes in school.
Is it hard?
Sometimes, but practice helps.
Can you help me with this?
Of course. What is it?
I need to fix my computer.
Let me see. I will try.
Could you wait for me?
Sure. How long?
Just 10 minutes.
Okay, I will wait.
Take care. Have a good day.
Thanks. You too.
See you later.
Yes, see you soon.
Who's that man over there?
That is my boss, Mr. Johnson.
Oh, is he nice?
Yes, he is very kind.
What are you cooking?
I'm making spaghetti.
Yummy. Can I have some?
Sure, I'll save you a plate.
When are you leaving?
I'm leaving at 5.
Who is taking you?
My brother is driving me.
Where did you buy that dress?
I got it at the mall.
How much was it?
It was only $30.
Why are you crying?
I'm just so happy.
What happened?
I got a promotion at work.
How was your exam?
It was okay, not too hard.
Did you finish early?
Yes, I had time left.
Can I sit here?
Yes, please have a seat.
Thank you. I'm so tired.
Me too. Long day.
Could you open the window?
Sure, it is stuffy in here.
Thanks, much better.
No problem at all.
Would you like some water?
Yes, I'm really thirsty.
Here, take this bottle.
Thanks, you are so kind.
Will you be home later?
Yes, I will be home.
What time should I come?
Around 7 is fine.
Did you call your mum?
Yes, I called her this morning.
How is she doing?
She is doing great. Have you finished your homework?
Not yet. It is so hard.
Do you need help?
Yes, please help me.
Has she called you back?
No, not yet. When did you call her?
I called her 2 hours ago. Is this your first time here?
No, I have been here before.
When did you come last?
About a year ago.
Was the traffic bad?
Yes, it was terrible.
How long did it take?
Almost 2 hours. Were you at the gym yesterday?
Yes, I went in the morning.
Did you see John there?
No, he was not there.
Whose jacket is this?
I think it is Maria's.
Where is she?
She's in the other room.
How much does this cost?
It costs $45.
Is there a cheaper one?
Yes, this one is 30.
How many people are coming?
About 15 people.
Is that enough chairs?
I think we need more.
How often do you go swimming?
I go every Saturday.
Where do you go?
At the community pool.
Which one do you like?
I like the blue one.
Why that one?
It looks more elegant. Shall we go for a walk?
Yes, that sounds nice.
Where should we go?
Let us go to the park. Should I call a doctor?
No, I will be fine.
Are you sure?
Yes, do not worry. May I use your phone?
Sure, here you go.
Thanks, I'll be quick.
Take your time. Might it rain today?
The forecast says no.
So I do not need an umbrella.
I don't think so.
Must we wear formal clothes?
Yes, it is a formal event.
Do I have a tie?
I can lend you one.
What is your favorite color?
I love purple. It's beautiful.
Why purple?
It's calming and pretty.
When do you get off work?
I finish at 6 today.
Want to grab dinner?
Sure, where do you want? Where is the nearest restroom?
It's down the hall.
To the left or right?
To the right. Why did you leave early?
I was feeling sick.
Are you better now?
A little bit, yes.
How do you make this dish?
It is very simple, actually.
Can you teach me?
Yes, come over this weekend. Could you turn down the music?
Sorry, is it too loud?
Yes, just a little.
Okay, I will lower it. Would you mind closing the door?
Not at all. I will do it.
Thanks, it is so cold.
Yes, I feel it too.
Will you pick me up?
What time should I come?
Around 4:30.
Okay, I will be there.
Did you see the news today?
No, I missed it.
Something big happened.
Tell me about it.
Have you met my cousin?
No, I have not.
He's over there.
Oh, let me go say hi. Is it okay if I come late?
Yes, that is fine.
What time should I come?
Any time before 9. Was the food good at the party?
Yes, it was delicious.
Who made it?
My aunt cooked everything. Were you sleeping when I called?
Yes, I was taking a nap.
Oh, sorry to wake you.
It is okay. I needed to get up.
Whose idea was this trip?
It was Maria's idea.
Where are we going?
To the mountains. How much sugar do you want?
Just one spoonful.
Is that enough?
Yes, I like it less sweet.
How many eggs do we have?
We have 6 eggs left.
Is that enough for the cake?
Yes, we need 4.
How often do you call your parents?
I call them every Sunday.
That is so nice of you.
I love talking to them.
Which dress should I wear?
I like the red one.
Are you sure?
Yes, it looks great on you.
Shall I wait for you?
Yes, just give me 5 minutes.
I'll be right here.
Okay, I will be fast.
Should we go now?
Yes, let us go before traffic.
Good idea. Let us leave.
I'll grab my bag. May I ask you something?
Yes, go ahead.
Are you seeing anyone?
No, I'm single. Might we need an umbrella?
It might rain later.
I will bring one just in case.
Smart idea.
Must I bring anything?
Just bring yourself.
No food or drinks?
We have everything covered. Take care of yourself, okay?
I will. You too. Let us meet again soon.
Yes, I would love that.